Okay, so see, I've started on the linoleum. I don't know what that black dust is. It may just be grime that fell in between the floorboards over time. It was all concentrated in this one spot, and in this one spot it was some kind of a black stain on the wood, so I don't know what the fuck. Anyway, here you can see all the hardwood from the living room is already gone. I started also on the kitchen. You can see I got a fair amount of the hardwood in there up. The linoleum is much slower going, and that's why I'm saying maybe a demolition hammer is the thing. And also, I'm bent over the whole time, which, as you can appreciate, is not fun for me. So in order to give my back a break, I would start wailing away on the plasterboard. So what has me more than just a little bit worried is that all of the nails, like, so they don't screw this stuff in, they nail it. And every last one of these damn things is rusty. And you can see the color of the wood. That to me looks like, at the very least, water damage, if not the beginnings of mold. I'm pretty sure that is the beginnings of mold. But I won't tell if you don't. I hope to get rid of this wall. So here's the kitchen. So let's get that out of the way. So that's a very sizable kitchen, and there's no need for that much space if all you're doing is cooking. So if anything, I'd like to get this wall gone. If I can replace it with a beam, I will. I don't know what the requirements are logistically. Like, I got to get a permit, and I got to get an engineer, and I got to get like, fuck it. I'll find out how to size a beam. I'll do it 50% stronger than it should ever need to be, and I'll just do it if I can. And if I can't, then what I'll try to do is move the wall onto this line to line up with that post. So come out. So again, the kitchen does not need to be anywhere near this wide. This is crazy. So that, I hope, would provide a little bit more dining space here, but more to the point, it would give me a decent sized living room. Although maybe I'm just wasting time, because my lifestyle does not include entertaining. So what the fuck do I need a big living room for? Anyway, whatever. Jabber, jabber, jabber. I'm tired, sorry. One thing that's kind of annoying me is I'm pulling up this stair riser stuff. I don't even know what it is, but anyway, it's furry, and it's been glued to the stairs. So I don't think I have a choice. I'm gonna have to replace all the stairs. I probably would have anyway, but it just means I gotta do it right away. What the fuck is that? I don't know. It's probably asbestos. Knowing my luck, it's probably fucking asbestos, but fuck it. We move ahead regardless. That's the update for today.